Hi, Christoph from Tech. Tired of GMK group buy delays? Mac market absurd prices confusing you? Keyboard bills piling up with no keycaps to use? Kinetic Labs got you. Kinetic Labs have partnered with Polycaps to bring to us these three affordable in-stock PBT keycap sets. First to come out was the whale set, then the octopus, and finally the cone. All came with these nice boxes, unlike some high-end budget options. Whale and Octopus are PBT cherry profile, double shot, and both kits share the same layout. Cone is PBT cherry profile die subset that have a slight difference with extra novelties and ISO support. The keys are thick and smooth to type on. The legends are very distinct, might not be as prominent as GMK, but for a PBT set, it gives a particularly good consistency. When I started getting into this hobby, there was little to no available colorful key sets, either going to pay ridiculous prices on Mac market for GMK or go down the morally ambiguous clones route. Starting in 2022 though, the keycap economy is in a much better place. There's a healthy competition with original designs from Canon keys, Kinetic Labs, Infinite keys, Novel keys, and many other smaller vendors, providing great color options for PBT and ABS keycaps and allowing for more choices other than GMK. Whale and Octopus sets go for $64.99 USD and Cone $79.99 USD. They are always available or being restocked very quickly. With the many distinct color options and excellent quality, I can recommend this to anyone looking to give a little personality to the mechanical keyboard on a budget. I want to thank you guys for watching my video about keycaps. Please like and subscribe for more. Thank you and take care.